Hi guys, this is Shiv Kumar. My topic related about AWT in Java. In this video, we are discussing about panel in AWT. What is the stand for AWT? It's Abstract Window Toolkit. And next, this is the flowchart component container. Container subclass is window and panel, and window subclass is frame, and panel subclass is JPanel. Here I have mentioned several. And next is a panel. What is the panel? Panel definition. Panel is the simplest container classes. A panel provides space in which an application can attach any other component, including other panels. Its default layout manager for a panel is the flow layout manager, and also mainly panel is the superclass for applet. A panel window does not contains any title for menu bar and borders. And next, what are panels used? As the converter example demonstrates, panel are useful for grouping components, simplifying components layout, and putting borders around groups of components. The rest of this section gives hints on grouping and laying out components. This is a converter picture, matrix system and US system. A AWT panel class declaration. Public class panel extends container implements accessible. This is the example panel programming. Public class panel example is the class name, and the panel example is the constructor. And here mentioned frame f is equal to new frame panel is the created with object, and this is the panel is equal to new panel. Here creating the frame of the panel. A set of bounds 40 comma 80 comma 200 comma 200. This is the length and width. And background, here mentioning that background color gray. This is the output that b1 is equal to new button 1 if you want to create the inside the panel, that button b1, and if you want another one b2, as mentioned that length and width, that 50 comma 100 comma 80 comma 30, and this is the button 2 100 comma 100 comma 80 comma 3, and this is mentioning that yellow and green. Yellow is button 1, and color green is the button 2. If you want to create another button 3 or 4, it's the same way to create that. Mention all the construct length and width and color. And this panel add b1, panel add b2 is there. If we there panel 3 or 4, it's the same way panel add b3 and b4 of size of a total 40 400 comma 400 as the overall size that visible is true. If your public static void main string args and new panel example, this is the overall output the panel in this program. And thank you.